I, Raviranjan Tiwari. Today I am going to teach you class 10th, first flight, second chapter, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. First, you know the important facts of this chapter. You know about a new word, apartheid. Apartheid. What is apartheid? So, apartheid is a political system that separates people according to their race. You understand? The word apartheid. Apartheid is a system. Apartheid is a political system that separates people according to their race is called apartheid. Second important things you find in this chapter, Nelson Mandela and his ANC, African National Congress, spent a lifetime fighting against apartheid. Nelson Mandela and his party ANC lifetime fighting against this apartheid system. And third important things you find in this chapter, Mandela had to spend 30 years in prison. 30 years is a very long time. And Mandela spent 30 years in prison. Lastly, finally, democratic elections were held in South Africa in 1994. And his party, ANC, won the election and Nelson Mandela became first black president of South Africa. This chapter shows his fighting against this apartheid system. A big program organized by ANC and Mandela becomes South Africa's first black president. And Nelson Mandela has become South Africa's first black president after more than 3 centuries of white rule. 3 centuries of white rule. After 3 centuries of white rule, Nelson Mandela became the president of South Africa. Mr. Mandela's African National Congress, ANC, party won 252 of the 400 seats in first democratic election of South Africa's history. साउथ अफ्रीका के इतिहास में 400 सीट में से 252 सीट ANC पार्टी ने जीता. The inauguration ceremony took place in the Union Building Amphitheatre in Pretoria today. और आज इस जीत की खुशी में एक बहुत बड़ा समारोह का आयोजन यूनियन बिल्डिंग एम्फी थिएटर प्रिटोरिया में है, वहां पे आयोजित होता है. Attended by the politicians and dignitaries from more than 140 countries around the world. Never, never again will this beautiful land experience the oppression of one by another, said Mandela in his address. Jubilant scenes on the street of Pretoria followed the ceremony with blacks, whites, and colored celebrating together. More than 1 lakh South Africans, men, women, and children of all races sang and danced with joy. This extract, taken from his famous autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom. Mandela speaks about the historic occasion, the inauguration. Can you guess what the occasion might be? In this chapter, we find the first inauguration of Nelson Mandela as a president of South Africa. He was the hero of that day. He spent more than 30 years in prison, and at last he achieved his mission. In 1994, an election organized in South Africa and his party ANC won the election. He won 252 seats out of 400. A great inauguration, on that great occasion, Nelson Mandela addressed his people. In that inauguration, more than 140 countries, political parties all over the world, they all are gathered first time in South Africa. And in that time, lakhs of the people, white people, black people, male and females, all are dancing together in the street of Victoria. This scene is really a very grateful to South Africa, and in that period, Nelson Mandela addressed his citizens, addressed the politicians, dignitaries, attendants by attendance around the world. So it is the time of 10th May, dawned bright and clear. For the past few days, I had been pleasantly besieged by dignitaries and world leaders who were coming to pay their respects before the inauguration. The inauguration would be the largest gathering ever of international leaders of South African soil. The ceremonies took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheater formed by the Union Building in Pretoria. For decades, this had been the seat of white supremacy, and now it was the site of a rainbow gathering of different colors and nations for the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. Through these lines, Nelson Mandela describes about the present situation of 10th May. 10th May is the historic day of South African history. After 3 centuries, a democratic government come in power in South Africa. And Nelson Mandela's ANC won the election of election in South Africa. In that period, more than 140 countries, representatives, dignitaries, politicians, they all are gathered in South Africa on this ceremony. The scene of amphitheater is really a very attractive. That amphitheater made by sandstone Union Building in Victoria for decades. That place was the place of white people, the seat of white supremacy. But today, our rainbow sceneries seen there. People of different colors, people of different nations, they all are gathered in that amphitheater. Really, first time a non-racial government come in power in South Africa. And Africa's first democratic non-rational government. On that lovely autumn day, I was accompanied by my daughter Jenani on the podium. Mr. De Klerk was first sworn in as second deputy president. Then Thabo Mbeki was sworn the first deputy president when it was my turn, and pledges to obey and uphold the constitution and to devote myself to the well-being of the republic and its people. To the assembled guests and the watching world, I said. Nelson Mandela describes his feeling when he was on the stage, and he described the scenes when the second deputy president, Mr. De Klerk, sworn. After him, Thabo Mbeki was sworn as first deputy president, and at last I was pledged to obey and uphold the constitution and to devote myself to the well-being of the republic and its people. In that time, Nelson Mandela describes his feelings. Today, all of us do, by our presence here, confer glory and hope to newborn liberty. Out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster that lasted too long must be born a society of which all humanity will be proud. This is a time of proudness of the humanity. We who were outlaws not so long ago have today been given the rare privilege to be host to the nations of the world on our own soil. We thank all of our distinguished international guests for having come to take possession with the people of our country of what is, after all, a common victory for justice, for peace, for human dignity. We have at last achieved our political emancipation. We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender, and other discrimination. Never, never, and never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another. The sun shall never set on so glorious a human achievement. Let us freedom reason. God bless Africa. In that time, after his sword, Nelson Mandela addressed the countrymen, addressed the guests, representatives of the countries who came in South Africa to participate on that occasion. This is the rare victory of South Africa. First time the rainbow colored people gathered here. This is the victory. This is not only the victory of ANC. This is the victory of humanity. This is the victory of humanity, victory of people of South Africa. This is the victory against poverty, against deprivation, against suffering, gender and other discrimination. And he said, never, never, and never again shall it be that his beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another. उन्होंने इस शपथ में कहा कि कभी नहीं, अब ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा जब एक के द्वारा दूसरे को सताया जाएगा इस लैंड पर। और वो भगवान से कहते हैं कि हे भगवान, हमारे साउथ अफ्रीका को ये आशीर्वाद दो कि फिर से यहाँ पर जो ये ह्यूमन ग्लोरी का जो सूर्य उदय हुआ है, ये जो ह्यूमन का अचीवमेंट है, ये हमेशा फलता फूलता रहे। Today I stop my lecture and I suggest the students, please go through the book and try to understand it. In next class I continue my lecture. Thank you.